So, during this Christmas season, come up with some activities that you can do with just stuff lying around the house, especially the candy cane. So, what I like to do when I have a candy cane is mix it in with some hot chocolate. All you need is hot water, your Christmas cup, and just any kind of bag of hot chocolate mix. You can use hot water or boiled milk, depending on your preference. So yeah, what we're gonna do first is get your hot chocolate packet. I'm gonna open that, put it into your cup. And then take your hot water and pour it into your cup just to get, the hot chocolate melted. Give that a stir. Then, of course, you gotta, unwrap your candy cane. You don't want the plastic melting in your hot chocolate. Please don't break. Please don't break. Here we go. Here is our candy cane. So I'm just gonna stir it in because peppermint flavored is best flavor. Hot chocolate, I don't make the rules. I'm just gonna leave that on the side. Look at that, very cute. And well, I'm just gonna wait for it to cool down just a little bit before I give it a taste. I don't really want to burn my tongue. Actually, I'll drink a little bit. Got that chocolate, got that mint. Perfect combination.